So I spent a day with our local fisher folks. I must say that fishing in Ghana has been part of our culture for many years, and many tribes have engaged in fishing for so long, and this is one of the most challenging cultural work that you can ever imagine. These fishermen faces a lot of challenges. I never knew that even when they come offshore, they still have a lot to do just to prepare for their next catch. Let's use today to give a shout out to these fishermen. You say fish benefit me.
Mpanuma.
Aeroplane, what is aeroplane?
Oh, okay.
I know a two or three. Two are not I see.
I know on some fish ni.
Optimistic.
Fish
are cheaper than
Okay. My English name they say fish.
Oh, the means not there.
Okay.
My French
I think
friend
Agnon. Okay. So this net they are mending is purposely for I don't know the English name of the fish. You know, you see some fishes flying on water, flying in the sea as if they are birds. So this net is purposely made for such birds. Yeah, everything here depicts our culture and tradition. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Guys, whenever you have fish in your plate, before you take a bite, remember these local fishermen. They also contribute to our economy. These guys love their work so much, and this has been part of their lives. If you are here, appreciate them by typing "I love my local fishermen." And whenever you have the chance, say a prayer for them. Let's appreciate them. Kindly give me a follow, share, like. See you in the next one.